Welcome to our step-by-step tutorial on customizing your email signature in Google Docs. First, open the PDF with the link to the template and click the Access Your Template button. In the web browser window, click the Use Template button to get your editable copy of the signature template. Excellent. Now you have an editable copy of the email signature template. To add your business logo or a professional photo, right-click the image placeholder and select Replace Image. Then choose the option where your image is placed. For example, Upload from Computer. Select your image. It will fit the designated area automatically. Let's update your name, title, and contact details by changing the text with your information. For custom links, click the current email or website text, and in the context menu, select Edit Link. In the modal window, edit the text to display and the URL, then click Apply. To change the text color, select the line and click the text color icon. Select one of the predefined colors from the list or add a custom color. Let's move to social icons. Please right-click the placeholder, select Replace Image, and then upload your image. Repeat the process for all application icons you want to add. If you have less than 5, remove the rest. To make icons clickable, right-click an icon, select Insert Link, and paste your profile's URL. This will transform every email into a networking opportunity. Congratulations! Your personalized email signature is now complete. The final step is integrating it into your email application, showcasing your professional brand with every email you send.